Okay, here's Camera Kids 0519. I'm the owner of Franz, and this is the review of my D90. Okay, so here it is. I bought the D90 with no lens, and I bought the 51.8D. It's small but terrible. It's nice. Okay, there you go, the body. Then this camera has a 780p video. I forgot the megapixels, but it's cool, it's nice. And you put the memory card here, there, memory card, 4 gig, and you put the battery here, down here, there, and then let's take a sample pic. There you go.
There's a picture.
There's the picture.
And
Turn it off. Put the lens cap on. Okay, we're done. Thanks to the videographer, Garrett Dado, the co-owner of Camera Kids 0519. There you go. We have it. The D90. Rock and roll.